everyone, and a very warm welcome. Welcome to the unbiased review of Kaniza.com. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to analyze Kaniza reviews. Friends, whether Kaniza.com is a legit site or a possible scam, we will get to know through this video. This video is totally unbiased and it is not our website. So our only motive of this video is to make people aware about the online sites. Now friends, first have a look at the home page. As you can see, Kaniza is selling various types of products like tea kettles and pots, water filters and dispensers, car seats, air fryers and deep fryers and many more. You can check it. If you look at the best selling product, there is a crawl around car in pink and activity gym. This is all the kids section and they are exclusively at great discounted price. If you want to have a look at the tea kettles and the pots, you can see the products. Steel tea kettle, which is only for $69.99, and the electric kettle in stainless steel, which is only for $38.99. So the prices are very much cost effective. So let's look at the information about this website. If you move on to the contact us page, you can see they have also given a box where you can mention your name, your email ID and also the comments or the message. They have mentioned their address, their phone number and the email ID as well. So friends, if you have any comments, suggestions or experiences regarding this website, you are free to mention it in the comment box. This will help many viewers to understand more about this website. Moving ahead, we will go on to the shipping policy, how much time they take in shipping the product. So they have mentioned that you will receive your order in 7 to 14 business days from the date that is placed. Also, if you move on to the refund policy, if you are not comfortable or not satisfied with their product, you can get it exchanged. They have mentioned that they stand behind the quality of their products and they also guarantee a workmanship 100%. And on the return of the product, you need to send them the email to notify that they have received your return item. So you can just go to the refund policy as well. So friends, they have also given the social media pages over here and you can follow them on these pages. So let's click on to the Facebook page. But to my surprise, each of the social media page is getting redirected back to the site page. Let's click on to the Instagram again, Kaniza. So they need to work on their social media pages. It's being redirected to the home page itself. This made me researched about this website and I found that this shopping website was created 4 months ago and it is too new and potentially suspicious. Friends, if a domain is too young, you may not have enough details to judge it. Kaniza.com uses HTTPS, which is a good sign. It is a valid HTTPS SSL connection. So the online businesses that handle payments and sensitive user information must be an HTTPS. But the website is ranked 0 among million of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. Also, as you have seen, the social media pages gets redirected back to their website links. Considering above all the points, I feel that the website is too young and shopping from here can be risky. I will not shop any product from such a young website and which does not have their website complete. So friends, if you ask me, this site is little suspicious and it can be a scam. So I would not recommend you to invest your money on this website. So this is with the review of Kaniza.com. Folks, if you have any suggestion, experiences or comments regarding the website, do not forget to mention it in the comment box. Also, do not forget to subscribe the channel to protect yourself from increasing fraudulency of various online sites. Do like this video and share it too. Thank you very much and have a great day.